Wallaroo on IBM Power makes deploying agentic AI effortless. Your agents plug straight into RPG and DB2, instantly extending the systems you trust with the intelligence you need. From virtual assistants to coding copilots, Wallaroo delivers production-ready deployments at enterprise scale. Let's dive into the Wallaroo AI Starter Kit deployment flow. With a single, ready-to-use Podman command, deploying Wallaroo's prepackaged agentic AI inference endpoint onto an IBM LPAR is simple and reliable. As it deploys, we get real-time visibility into its progress. Once complete, we have a fully self-contained AI endpoint ready for inference, delivering a portable, scalable, and production-grade solution on our IBM LPAR. Let's take a look at a real-world custom AI agent built with Wallaroo and IBM Power. DMS systems want to give their customers a better e-commerce experience. Working with IBM and Wallaroo AI, they developed DMS Assist, an AI virtual assistant that leverages proprietary customer data to respond in real time to customer questions. Providing DMS Assist with a question, it uses our custom agentic AI solution deployed with Wallaroo on IBM Power to access proprietary data, generate a response, and deliver it directly to the customer, demonstrating the power of Wallaroo for enterprise-grade real-time AI applications. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the Wallaroo AI Starter Kit on IBM Power. With Wallaroo, AI developers can deploy AI agents with ease, building solutions with the confidence of enterprise-grade support. By leveraging IBM Power's MMA and Spyre technology, AI agents run efficiently and at scale. And because Wallaroo integrates seamlessly with IBM's environment, we can tie inferencing activity directly into core business workflows. Whether deploying to a compute cluster or a single LPAR, Wallaroo simplifies the deploy workflow, allowing AI developers to focus on creating intelligent solutions instead of managing infrastructure. Thanks for watching, and start exploring the Wallaroo AI Starter Kit. Your next custom AI agent on IBM Power is just a few steps away.